Been a long time, like a year and a half, since we last covered a little bit of a snowstorm here in Jackson County, Sylva. Since we last were here, unfortunately, we lost the black rabbit. He's no longer with us. Miss him dearly. And so we decided that we're just going to continue to use this page only for snowcast coverage, because that's what he would want us to do. That's what he would want us to do. So I'm sending this out. I'm going to send it out to some people. We're going to get in. I got men on the streets, right? Jeff might not be with us today, but we got men on the streets getting ready to join us with live coverage. I'm just waiting for him to hop on. So let me just make sure. Let me just get him on. I got live on the streets, boots on the ground. It's been a wild morning over at my house over here. I woke up to about 5 or 6 inches. Traffic was a mess outside.